If the ball cabin of your cat litter box can only run in one direction, the issue is likely due to a problem with the magnets inside the ball cabin. Misaligned magnets may prevent the drive mechanism from switching directions properly. In such cases, you can follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the machine from the power source. Open the top cover of the Scooper Luxury Pro X and carefully detach the right side cable to access the internal components. Next, locate the two magnet boxes on the front edge of the ball, positioned in the upper and lower sections. Use another magnet to test whether the S, south, and N north poles of the magnets inside the cartridge are aligned correctly. After testing, reattach the top cover and ensure the right side cable is securely connected. Reconnect the machine to the power source and allow the machine to complete a self-check, which typically lasts about 3 minutes. Finally, after the self-check, confirm that the rotation functions as expected. These steps should help you verify and correct any issues with the magnet alignment in your device.